BJP na matam chuppada laibak asida rule tawgani haibagi wakhalona mang tharaga Parliamental Women Empowerment ki mingda bill pass Touhannaba Hotnaringei da Manipur thokliba chahi ahum helaba irang asigi matangda Prime Minister amasung Union Home Minister ngasi fawu Wapham Amatta Phongdokpa Sangdabani HAINA Lok Sabha gi member Dr. ANGOMCHA Bimol akoijamna maral sirakle ngasi New Delhi da pangthokpa pawgi mifam amada Wapham asi phongdokladuna mahangna hai Chahi ahum hena Manipura lan mayok na duna layriba asida Prime Minister na laktuna irang asi lotion hanabagi thawrang amata paikatpa miyamna udre pung kharagi khongchatta laklaga uref uyung tamlamban natana miyamna thengnariba awaba sing asi takhiba leite irang asi hojik su lotion ba leitre haibase hojik thokliba pamdaba thodok sing asina mayek sengna takle Tronglaubi da thokiba laibak thiba thodok aduda manak nakpada leiriba security force sengna khudakta laktuna yengsinba amade mafam adu question duna operation chatharam labade bihatpa sing adu khudakta pharamba yabane kilometer ama romdamak lapa mafam da leiriba police amasung CRPF na thodok adu thokiba pung kaya leirabasu mafam adu lakide ahanbo oina laktuna yengsinkhiba ase Indian Army gi team amanane Masina state asida lengak lon mapung fana fail oide haibadu mayek sengna uthok chare Lengang ne state asida hojik tangdu leitaba khara makai hanjile haina claim tawrabasu hojik thokliba pamdaba thodok sing asina Wapham sing adu aranbani haiba takle legal oina laukthoktrabasu state asida buffer zone charaduna leide MP amana masagi constituency singda chatke haibada security force na athingba pire furuk masel changna ba yadana ngasi su leide Tronglaubi gi thodok adugi matangda yaningdaba phongdoktuna khongjang changsiluba singda CRPF na nongwai kapsinduna miyoi ahum biha thina hatkhi aduga kaya amana asok apan hankhe thodok aduda CRPF personnel singna SOP ngakna chakhide haibaside bibum khudimokna khamnaraba Wapham ne achumba pamba miyamna ihau horakpada de internet thingjinduna amade ahenbu force sinare khongjang singda tear gas cell kapsinba mob bomb kapsinba yauna ka henma thawong kaya chathare Malimgi mafam amatta da chanadaba matau amagom hospital manungda fauba landasale hena nungnang ningai oiribade ambulance lakpa staff singda fauba central force na khuthare Indian Red Cross Society ki ambulance khamnuna central force na chathakhiba thawong adu angakpa fauwe Red Cross Society ki ambulance haibase malimgi achauba lanfam amada lanfam singda fauba ayet apan pinade adum oinamak lamdam asida de malimgi kangnun sing adugi wangmada central force singna tawning ba maongda maning tamduna leire Amaromda amuk Ifal Urkul Rota Kuki Kulai Paiba Singni Chingnaba Singna Micham Dalanda Duna Micham and Mihatina Hatoke Kuki Kulai Paiba Sing Asina Hana Maite the Onsilambadagi Housikna Naga Furup the Onsinduna Manaba Lalong Jatarakliba Ase Matam Chana Tinghobagi Tangai Fadabale Hainasu Mahana Makatana Phongdokpa.
So government of India is not only failed in controlling the violence, normalizing. Clearly their motive is shown by the fact that the commission of inquiry उसका रिपोर्ट भी आज तक नहीं आया 6 महीने के लिए कॉन्स्टिट्यूट किया था 4 जून को 2023 में अभी 3 साल हो गया अभी तक वो रिपोर्ट आया नहीं इनफैक्ट द चेयरमैन even resigned so you can see there is something dishonesty and fishy going on in this crisis so don't take it merely as a community violence it's a complete primarily a failure of the government. It is to rein in the violence of these armed groups. They are freely moving in the hill areas, particularly you can see visuals. There's right in front of the central armed forces. People are moving with guns. If they were part of those groups under SU, they are not supposed to move out of their camps. How is it they are moving around? And how is this ambush happened yesterday if they have put things under control? How is that these rockets were fired? You see, this is, I think, we have been bluffing to ourselves by thinking that we have control and collected. At least in the Imphal district and some of the central districts, Central Valley, Thobal and others, normally these areas, you don't get to see people roaming around with guns now. But in the hill area, it still continues.